Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Microsoft Advertising for AI bid automation. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin authenticating with Microsoft Advertising, navigate to the Microsoft Advertising Developer Portal. If you do not have a Microsoft Advertising account, create one by following the prompts on the website. Once you have an account, log into the Microsoft Advertising Developer Portal using your credentials. Next, locate the My Account section on the dashboard. Here, you will need to register your application. Click on the Register App option, which will lead you to the application registration form. Fill in the required fields, including your app name and description. Select the appropriate permissions for your application, making sure to choose those necessary for bid automation. After filling out the details, submit the registration form. Once your app is registered, take note of the client ID and client secret provided. These will be essential for the authentication process. Now, navigate to the Authentication section in the Developer Portal. Select the OAuth 2.0 option for your authentication method. You'll need to create a redirect URI. This URI is where Microsoft will send the authentication response after you log in. Enter your redirect URI in the appropriate field. Once completed, click Save to secure this information. Next, you'll use the client ID and client secret to request an access token. This is done by sending a POST request to the Microsoft Authorization endpoint. Include your client ID, client secret, and redirect URI in the request body. Make sure to specify the necessary scopes for accessing bid automation features. After submitting the request, you will receive an access token in response. Store this token securely as it grants access to your Microsoft Advertising account. You may also need to generate a refresh token to keep your access alive longer. To do this, follow the same process as before, but include the refresh token scope in your request. Once you have your access and refresh tokens, you are ready to implement AI bid automation. Integrate these tokens into your automation scripts to authenticate with Microsoft Advertising. Ensure to handle token expiration by using the refresh token when necessary. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.